Today you'll learn, what is weaving a seam in knitting? Weaving a seam is a method of joining knitted pieces using yarn to create a smooth, invisible finish.
The seams on this little bit of knit, I've already sewn through the bottom twice, and it's going to go between the stitches here, the threads between, and you're going to weave back and forth. So catch that bar between here and go back to the other side and catch that. And I'm doing it in a contrasting color so that you can see what's going to happen, because if you do this in the same color as the knit and going back to each side and catching just the bar between the stitches, and when you pull it up tight, your yarn will absolutely disappear. This green, except for the very bottom where the tail end is, will actually go into the inside of the knit. So I'm going to go up a little bit further, and then I will pull the yarn and let you see how this really goes. Look there. It disappeared. Isn't that cool? Then I can go up and keep going. And as you go along, you pull on the yarn and you keep it fairly loose for several stitches, several rows, and then pull it tight and make it all go disappear inside.